A man in worn-out shoes walks along a long, wet road, holding a little girl's hand, both carrying old bags. He walked 6 miles, every single day, through rain, heat, and aching feet, just to get his daughter to school on time. He never asked for help, never complained, but what he didn't know was that someone was watching, and everything was about to change. Meet Ravi, a single father living in a tiny village on the edge of the city. After losing his wife to illness 3 years ago, Ravi made a silent promise. No matter what, my daughter will have a better life. He worked at a construction site during the day and as a night guard after dark. But every morning, before the sun even rose, Ravi would gently wake up little Asha. He would braid her hair, pack her modest lunch, and start walking. 6 miles. One way. They couldn't afford bus fare, but the school was good. Ravi believed education was the only thing that could break the chains of poverty. The father and daughter walked past highways, puddles, construction zones. Other parents arrived in cars. Some stared, some smiled politely. But Ravi kept his head down. He never missed a day. What he didn't know was that the school's principal, Mrs. Mehra, had been observing. At first, it was curiosity. Then, admiration. Every morning from her office window, she noticed the same man, clothes dusty, eyes tired, quietly sending his daughter off with a hug and smile. She began asking around, and when she learned the truth, she cried. One rainy morning, she made a decision. Visual. The father and daughter arrive soaked from rain. The principal watches from behind a curtain. The next day, Ravi arrived as usual. But this time, a car pulled up beside him. It was Mrs. Mehra. She rolled down the window. "Mr. Ravi," she said gently, "can I offer you a ride back?" Ravi hesitated. His pride stood tall, but Mrs. Mehra smiled. "You've walked miles for your daughter's future. Let us walk a little with you." Over the next week, the school arranged a carpool for Ravi and Asha. Uniforms were donated. Lunches upgraded. A scholarship was offered. But more than anything, Ravi was seen. His love was recognized. Ravi smiling as his daughter waves goodbye at the school gate, now wearing clean uniform and polished shoes. Sometimes the strongest acts of love are the quietest. No applause, no audience. Just one man, one promise. And miles walked with purpose. Ravi didn't walk for recognition. He walked for love, and in doing so, he inspired others to walk beside him. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who still believes in the power of a parent's love. Subscribe for more stories that remind us kindness still echoes in this world.